everyone, welcome back to Leiloando Ideias. As you know, I receive some products from influencer, and every now and then I come here and I talk about individual products. But recently I've been receiving a lot of hair products, and I thought it would be a good idea to just put them all together in one video and not necessarily compare them, but talk about them all at once. So as you can see right next to me, I have 6 products here that I'm gonna be talking about today based on my experience. I'm someone with really fine hair. A couple years ago, I did completely bleach my hair, and it's been 2 years now. My hair is fully back to normal. It's just the regular color it is. You can see I have some grays. My hair breaks a lot, and I've been trying to find products that would help me mitigate that, because I do blow dry my hair every time I wash it. I've been trying to wash it less, and it's been a journey, but I'll get to it in a moment. Let's introduce the products that I've been talking about. And as a disclaimer, I received them all complimentary from influencer in exchange of my honest review in several different platforms. This is not sponsored whatsoever, and I'm gonna be very blunt about how I feel about these products and how they performed for me. I have the IGK Instant Repair Serum, Sexy Hair Surfer Girl, Sexy Hair Big Powder Play Lite, Sexy Hair Style Flash Me, Amika Hydro Rush, and Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Treatment Serum. I want to start off with the products that unfortunately were just like not for me, and I didn't really have that much of an experience with it because after the first application it was already a pass. The first one being the Sexy Hair Big Powder Play Lite. It's a soft volumizing and texturizing powder. This product runs for $21.95. As I mentioned, I didn't pay for it because I got it for free. This is how the applicator is. And here the direction says, pump on dry hair directly at the root and or throughout hair for soft and lightweight volume and texture. Guys, so as I mentioned in the beginning of my video, I've been trying to wash my hair less, right? Because I was originally washing my hair every single day, and I know it's not good for you. So because after the first day of wash, you know, like the second day after sleeping, I still don't have like silk pillowcases. The hair is a little, you know, like kind of flat. I was like, okay, this is gonna be the perfect opportunity, right? It's supposed to be lightweight. It's not supposed to make your hair feel heavy or anything like that. And this did not work for my hair at all. I don't know if it's because I have very fine hair, but as soon as I applied, it already like added so much weight to my hair, and it just gave like a weird shine that to me personally felt like my hair was dirty, which was really frustrating for me because, like I said, it was day 2. I had, you know, just washed my hair. My husband said it didn't look that nice, but it was just like the feeling for me. It was the way that it just felt so heavy. I just had to like put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm like, I'm done. I can't. I was so frustrated with this product. I simply used it once and I could not use it again. So if you are someone who like this kind of products and have maybe a different kind of texture to your hair, then it might be a good idea for you. Unfortunately for me, it wasn't. This second one is a pass for me for a very specific reason. So this is the Texture Surfer Girl, the dry texturizing spray. This one runs for $22.95. Dry texturizing spray, build texture and lightweight, airy volume with a style memory without the crunch. It's basically a hairspray. So, you know, like I felt like in my hair, it did give me a crunch, which I don't mind. Like if it was to maybe, you know, style my hair in a way to go to a party or something and I'm looking for a hairspray, then maybe I would reach out for this, except it smells like fake coconut and I just can't. Personally, I don't necessarily eat coconut. I don't like coconut. And this scent just stuck with me and I couldn't even. It is a good product. It just, the scent wasn't for me. So I'll probably just end up like giving this to someone because it was just not my jam. The product's still completely full. I wouldn't say like it's not a good product. It's just like it simply wasn't for me for the scent itself. But I do think that it's a good size. The price maybe for a regular hairspray is a little bit up there. I'm not the kind of person that goes to the beach and then is like, oh, I need to like put like some stuff on my hair. I barely go to the beach. So I would use it more as a hairspray than anything else to give that crunch and to keep my hair in place. But it just didn't pass the smell test for me. So here I have the IGK Cash-In Instant Repair Serum. This runs for $34. And it says here, clinical breakage protection, 11 times softer strands, 88% split end sealing, heat protection. This clinically proven treatment serum significantly repairs damage and reduces breakage. Concentrated, lightweight formula features biomimetic bond building technology to instantly moisturize, mend split ends, provide softness, shine, and protect from heat damage. So there was a point out there where I was pairing these two. So I would put the serum and then I would finish with the blow dry spray. And then I realized that after a few weeks, my hair was getting way drier than it has ever been. And at first I thought it was the spray, but today I was using this one by itself. And then after a few hours, I went back to look at my hair and my hair was kind of funky. Now, I don't know if it's because it's very humid today and my hair was just, doing its own thing, or if this one is kind of like breaking it. I don't know. It says that it's supposed to fix 88% of split ends and sealing and doing all these magic tricks, and yet here I am trying to use additional hair oil to see if I can do something for my hair. Disclosure, it's not like every time I wash my hair that my hair looks like crap. I do have a product that I brought back from Brazil that every time I apply it feels like it gives my hair a little bit more life. So I am assuming that this guy, it's not treating my hair that well. And it's funny because a few weeks ago I really thought about looking into this brand and getting other products, and now I'm like, maybe it's not maybe a good idea. So this is how the pump works. I do want to give it a few more tries once the weather kind of changes. Maybe give it, I like the scent, I like the consistency. It is lightweight. I don't feel like it makes my hair heavy or anything like that. I just really need to figure out if it is doing something because my hair is technically, kind of damaged, or if it's making it worse. So, and I already had this for a few months. It's not like it just came in a box. Like I said, I was using with another product for a little bit, but I don't know. Or maybe my problem is experimenting with too many products. It could be that. The next one I have here is the Sexy Hairstyle Flash Me Quickly Blow Dry Spray. This one runs for $19.95 and I love the scent. I love how fine of a mist it is. It's really easy to just apply everywhere, like misting it over. Your hair smells so great after. It smells fresh. I don't know, it's just something that it's really pleasing. Pleasing? That's the word? Or this is not a person that is pleasing me, but I don't know. It's pleasant. It's very pleasant smell. I kind of stopped because, like I mentioned, I was like, oh, maybe because that one is a serum and this one is something else, I can pair them together. And then all of a sudden my hair just wasn't great. So I want to start trying this again because as soon as I got this, I was using it by itself. I didn't necessarily like, you know, like look too deep to see, oh, what are the changes in my hair. There's like too much going on. I had to review all these products all at once, not all the sexy hair ones. And at that time I liked this one a lot, and then when I paired with the other one, it was a mess. In my head, I just couldn't think about like, oh, maybe it's the other one. So I do want to pick this one back up and keep using it a little bit again, just to see how it does with the heat protection. Like I mentioned, I always use hot tools. As I mentioned, I really like the scent. This one I got from influencer probably like 2 or 3 years ago. The Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And this one runs for $28. I really like the scent. I really like how it feels. It's very lightweight. I do feel like, because it has hyaluronic acid, I do feel like this one really helps with hydration for my hair. I can't really like spray directly on my hair, so I put it in my hands and then I kind of rub it together and I apply. I don't feel like this pump is necessarily meant for you to just spray on your hair, so that's why I do it. Dry hair, never heard of it. Packed with hyaluronic acid and biofermented coconut water, which funny enough doesn't smell like coconut at all. This creamy leave-in conditioner deeply moisturizes, detangles, reduces frizz, and improves manageability. Use it. Spray throughout clean, damp hair pre-styling, or spray on dry hair to tame flyaways and reduce frizz. Avoid contact with ice. Yeah, I definitely apply it on my hand. I don't like applying this one. I don't know, it's just like a weird, one of those weird sprays where it's not like fine misting all around and kind of like go straight into, you know, like bah, straight in you. And so yeah, it works. And then the last one is this Blue Tansy Treatment Serum that runs for $36. And let me tell you a funny story. So it literally says on the packaging, just a squirt, okay? Just a squirt. Apply evenly through wet, damp, or dry hair. Just one squirt. What did Layla do? Well, the first time, okay, so my first try, I applied one squirt in my hair, and my hair was dry, and I kind of like applied to kind of tame it, and I liked it. So then I washed my hair. I was going for my oath for becoming an American citizen, and I had just washed my hair, and I was like, oh, let me use the best thing I have, because I may have to take a picture with my little diploma saying that I'm now American. And so I applied 2 squirts. I messed it up. I applied 2 squirts. As soon as I start drying my hair, I realized that the ends of my hair don't seem like they're drying at all. It was drenched in product, but it was so much product that I had like, my scalp was dry and it looked like the ends were so heavy and just like so out of place. And I was like, I can't believe I did this to myself. I'm gonna look horrific in this picture. I can't. I was so upset, but then at that point, what can I do? I'm not gonna hop in the shower again. I don't have any time. I have to be in the federal building. I have to, you know, get going. And the whole day, I was just thinking about like, I cannot believe I applied 2 squirts of this product. I went about my day. I did my oath, got my diploma, took the picture, came back home to get ready for work, and then I go into the mirror. Hours later, this was like probably like 3-4 hours later, and my hair absorbed absolutely all of this product. It just like sipped on it like it was a great smoothie that it was in need of, and all the nutrition. In that day, my hair was the most beautiful hair I have ever seen. It looked like it had cured my split ends. So I swear by this now, and I only apply a squirt. So this is probably gonna last me a long time, because as I mentioned, I'm not, you know, necessarily washing my hair every day. And when I do, I'm kind of like rotating through a bunch of products. But what I do wanna try with this is to apply before washing. So maybe kind of like drenching my hair a little bit and letting it sit and use it as a treatment and see how that goes, because that one day that I messed up, by the end of the day, my hair was fine. It was beautiful. It was shiny. It was lightweight. It was like blowing with the wind, and you know, my split ends and all the little cracks, they were kind of like, you know, fine-tuned. But yeah, but if you need to take a picture like right after you wash your hair, then I wouldn't say apply 2 squirts, but maybe just 1. This is definitely my favorite from all of these, all the lineup that I introduced today. This one is definitely something that I want to use in different ways and I want to experiment with, because this might just be something that saves me. And then who knows, maybe in like a few months I'm gonna have like the most luscious, beautiful hair. I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. Well, this is it. Those are the products that I had today to talk about. I hope that you enjoyed and that it was enlightening for you in some sense. And if you like this kind of videos, please let me know, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.